be proud. Be proud to be an actor. We live in a culture that does not necessarily value art. We're how many people, people sometimes say to actors if they haven't seen them for a while, "Hey, are you still acting?" And that's so hurtful. I mean, would they say that to a doctor? You're still being a doctor? And so be proud and know how important what we do, what you do is. At 9/11, after 9/11, as we were kind of pulling ourselves together as New Yorkers, E.L. Doctorow, the wonderful novelist who wrote Ragtime, was talking to an auditorium full of people at NYU and said, artists have always been on the front lines, and we are also rescue workers, not just the EMS and the police and the fire department. And we tell stories, and stories are important. And I urge you to be proud. Be proud to be an actor. It's a noble profession. It's a hard profession. It's hard to do it well. It's hard to have the thick skin to face all the rejection that we get. I mean, we're constantly unemployed if we're actors. And stay playful and try to collect what's happening now, because this is a special time in all kinds of ways. And important stories are going to come out of it, and you're going to be the storytellers, and do it with heart and with love. Do it with love.